How to overcome driving anxiety. A step-by-step guide.
And in this short video, let's talk about nerves and how to control your nerves and how to pass your driving test the first time. Okay, so the best technique I found through my students, and also how it helped me to pass all these exams, pass the lorry test and become a driving instructor many years ago, and how it helped me to calm my nerves. The best technique that worked for me is talk myself through, which is a commentary driving. So how commentary driving helped me while I'm driving is basically each step of the driving I'm doing, I'm talking myself loud, and that way it will keep my brain occupied by talking myself through to see the hazard far ahead down the road, planning ahead. It helped me, and also help my student how to pass their driving test. So here let's talk about how to do a commentary driving. So at the moment we're driving down the road, I can see the speed limit is 30. Now mini roundabout going ahead. Now we need to look far down the road and how to plan ourselves. So if you think about the fishing rod, you throw it all the way at the end and then you roll it back. So same thing driving. So we're looking far down the road for ourselves. Now I can see pedestrian crossing, so check our mirrors. Pedestrian crossing, so check our mirrors, scan side to side to make sure nobody pressing the button, and then continue. And each junction coming up to your right side and left side, anticipate somebody might pull out. Okay, this is a part of infield test route that's on the way back, going back to test center from Chisholm Walton Cross. So here you got another pedestrian crossing, mirrors off the gas, scan side to side if there's nobody, mirrors, and then continue. Now we can see a mini roundabout coming up, and also I can see the speed limit. So now here I'm not nervous, I'm not thinking about my nervousness, I'm planning how to deal with the situation. So here, look to the right hand side, nobody there, speed limit is 20, then continue. So the next part, another mini roundabout. So look at the 2 mini roundabout going ahead, and I can look here the bus lane here. And what is a bus lane? The timing, Monday to Friday 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. and a Saturday 10 to 4 you can't use the bus lane. So we're not using the bus lane at the moment, although it is not 7 yet, so I can use the bus lane, but if it's a 7 I cannot use the bus lane. So my speed is 20 now, so now I've got 7 minutes to 7, so that means I can use the bus lane at the moment. So I'm going to check my center mirror, left mirror, signal left, and change my line. And this is a home base roundabout, Aldi roundabout. The roundabout, it is controlled with the traffic light. Okay, so it is controlled with the traffic light, and we're going ahead second exit. So what do we need to do? Okay, so we don't need to signal left at this point. You do need to check our mirrors, and then once we pass the first exit, mirror and signal left. And how do we know the roundabout control with the traffic light? So if you see a solid white line on the mouth of the roundabout, that means the roundabout control with the traffic light. Now this is a 30, so mirrors and come to the left side, then continue. Okay, so now it's 30 miles an hour here, we're going ahead, and the next roundabout will be coming. It is known as KFC roundabout, and that roundabout, it is controlled with the traffic light. So what do we need to do? First of all, once this course is finished, we need to change our lane from the left side to the right side. Okay, so then I'm gonna signal right. So now center mirror, right mirror, signal right, and then change my lane to the right hand side, and then cancel my signal again. Check my center mirror, right mirror, signal right. We're going second exit to the right. Why second exit to the right? Good questions. Good. So we don't have road onto the left hand side, we can't go in there. So the first exit is Waltham Abbey, second exit towards Infield Test Center. Okay, so now closer to the roundabout, about half a meter away from the curb. Now as soon as you pass the first center mirror, left mirror, signal left, and come all the way to the left. And here we got to be careful, the pedestrian crossing sometimes is changed quickly. So now continue, now change to 40 now, mirrors and accelerate 40. Okay, so now this roundabout coming up known as a little roundabout, and in this roundabout we're going first exit to the left. Okay, so now again commentary driving, 30 mile an hour, center mirror, left mirror, signal left, gentle brake, look to the right hand side, make sure nobody's coming. Sometimes the car's going U-turn, and then continue. Now first of all straight the wheel first, then cancel our signal, then continue, proceed. Okay, so now that car is okay, is gone there, so commentary driving, and I can see the car parked in front of me. So now I'm going to do, check my mirrors, signal right, just move out from this car, cancel my signal. Then what I'm going to do, check my center mirror, signal left, and come back again to the left hand side. Okay, so now the light is green, continue. Now it's Y junction, check my right shoulder, if it's safe, then continue. Okay, so here again the speed is 30 mile an hour, so my speed is 28 here, and the speed is going to be 40 in a moment. So mirrors, and then once you pass the 40, then continue. So as we can see all the way from Chisholm towards Enfield Test Center, I did not think about any nervousness and nothing. So because I kept myself busy with talking and planning what I'm going to do, so therefore my drive is smooth because I've seen things in advance, and that's how you deal with it. And then I hope this video would be useful for you guys, and give a try. There's nothing to lose. When your driving lesson with your parents, with your instructor, give it a try. It starts by slowly, then you build it up. So now second exit to the right, so center mirror, right mirror, signal right, position to the right, and nice and slow, no more than 15. Look to the right hand side, if it's safe, then continue closer to the roundabout, nice and smooth, closer to the roundabout. There you go. And this is the first exit, center mirror, signal left, and come to the left hand side. There you go. Now cancel signal, then continue. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is that's the test center, so past the test center, and the speed is 20 miles an hour here. So continue going ahead. We just passed the test center. Now we're gonna move from this lorry, how to move out safely. Okay, so check our center mirror, right mirror, and slightly move out. Okay, and then center mirror, left mirror, come back. Okay, so now here again, center mirror, right mirror, move out from this lorry. Okay, now left at the roundabout, center mirror, signal left, position to the left, nice and slow, look to the right hand side, if it's safe, then proceed. There you go. Now cancel our signal, check our mirrors, move out from these cars on the lorry. Now at this traffic light we're going right, so when you get closer, center mirror, right mirror, signal right, position to the right hand side, squeeze the brake, and then stop behind the white line. There you go. Perfect. Thank you guys. I hope you found this video
Thanks for
useful,
watching.
and please like, share, comment for more video like this, and all the best, and have a lovely day.